Okay, go show her. Go
Let
show
me
off.
see. Let's see the dancing.
Sing a song. Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
Oh yeah, that's a good move. Yeah, that's a good one.
That's his signature.
You really break it down. Ready, Maddie? Listen, dance. You both dance to the music. That's it. Here, can you kneel down? Come down with Maddie. Come here, sit down.
Jimmy, sit down.
I can't get both of them.
Jimmy, share.
Hi. Gimme. Got you. Woody Woodpecker right here.
Maddie's coming for you, Jimmy. See a garage? You see tunnel? Tunnel.
Hey, it's got in my truck.
Show him how to do it.
Jimmy, you're not being a very good cousin. Big cousin. Are they going to teach you how to share when you get to school?
Oh, Maddie, are you tired, honey?
Come here.
Oh!
Wash his hands, Jimmy. Come here, you. Good job.
Oh, somebody gets a little jealous.
Whoa, I got both of you guys. I got both of you guys.
Aww. Somebody loves his mommy.
No.
Meow. Oh, here comes a kitty. Meow. Meow. Good kitty.
Silly.
Maddie, where's your kitties? They at home?
What's that? Yeah?
Meow.
Little baby hands.
Ladybugs.
Show Maddie, he wants to see.
You singing? Let's see the dance again.
Show him.
Yeah, that's it. Good one.